Using SpeedMax, how to find the square of a number, that we are going to see now. We have to find the answer of 46 square. Now, find the square of 6, that is 36, it comes to 36, write it down. Then find the square of 4, it is 16. Write 16 just before 36 as displayed here. Now, third step is you multiply 4, 6 and 2. 4 into 6 into 2. The answer comes to 48. That is 4 into 6, 24 into 2, 48. Now, you have to write 48 below 1636. The only difference is you have to write 48 from tens digit. That is, you have to write 48 just below 63. Now add 1636 with 48 and the answer is 2116. 6, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 plus 4 plus 6, 11. Carry over 1 plus 1 is 2. Thus the answer is 2116. Now the question is find the square of 67. First write down the square of 7, that is 49. Then write down the square of 6, that is 36 before 49. So the number that will appear is 3649. Now you multiply 2 with 7 and 6. So 6 into 7, 42 into 2, 42 into 2, 84. You write down that number below 3649. The only difference is you have to write it from tens digits. That is, you have to write 84 just below 64 in 3649. Now when you total 9, 4 plus 4, 9, 8, then 8 plus 6, 14, 1, carry over 1 plus 3 is 4. Thus the answer is 4489. Now the question is to find the square of 14. So find the square of 4, 4 into 4, 16, then write it down here. Then find the square of 1, 1 is 1. So you write 1 just before 16 as displayed here. Thus 116 will appear here. Then multiply 1 into 4 into 2. So 1 into 4, 4 into 2, 8. So you have to write it below 116 and starting from tens digit. So you write it as displayed here, and the answer is, when you total 116 with this 8 in tens digit, then the answer will be 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 1, carry. Thus 196 is the answer for the square of 14. We have to find the square of 52. Now find the square of 2. 2 square is 4. Whenever the ones digit has 1, 2 or 3, then in such cases we have to add 0 before that. 1 square is 1, so we have to add 0 before that and write it as 0, 1. 2 square is 4, so we have to add 0 before that and write it as 0, 4. 3 square is 9, so we have to add 0 before that and we have to write it as 0, 9. Likewise, in this case, 2 square is 4, so we have to add 0 before that, so we have to write it as 0, 4. Now we have to find the square of 5. 5 square is 25. So now we are seeing 2504. Now 5 into 2 into 2, we have to multiply. 5 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20. So So you have to start writing this 20 from tens digits below 2504. Now total it, the answer comes to 2704. So square of 52 is 2704. Now we have to find the square of 81. Find the square of 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So since it is in the group of 1, 2 and 3, we have to add 0 before that 1. Then find the square of 8. 8 square is 64. Thus you have to write it as 6401. Now multiply 8 by 1 by 2. 8 into 1 into 2. 8 into 1 is 8. Again 8 into 2 is 16. This 16 we have to write below 6401 and it should start from tens digits. That is, we have to write 16 below 40, just below 40. Thus the answer is 1, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, then 6. So 6561 is the answer for 81 square. Now we have to find the square of 95. We have to multiply, that is we have to find the square of 5, that is 5 into 5, 25. Then we have to write the square of 9, that is 9 into 9, 81. So 8125. Then we have to find the product of 9 into 5 into 2, that is find the answer of 9 into 5 into 2. 9 into 5, 45 into 2, 90. So you have to write 90 below 8125, that is starting from tens digit we have to write. So 90 will appear just below 12 in 8125. Now we have to add 8125 with 90 and the result is 5, 2, 9 plus 1. Then 1 carry over 1, 1 plus 8, 9. So the answer is 9025.